Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel Coaching. My name is Vishal Nigam, and I'm the chief instructor at Coaching. Now, let me brief you what this channel is going to be all about. This channel is going to focus on all the latest technology trends, starting from artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, which includes AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and you can think about other technologies like DevOps, like Kubernetes, like Docker. We will also get into a lot of programming stuff. We will also get into how to really build a startup, how to build products, and many more things. I mean, over the period of now, I would say next 3 to 6 months, you will see more than 1,000 videos which will be coming on this channel. Now, the best part of coaching, guys, is going to be that coaching is going to make you an industry ready professional. You are not just going to learn a technology, because that you can learn from any article, any blog, or any course available on the market. But the real question comes into play that once I learn a technology, am I really ready to get into the market and do something? But no, that's not the case. So, in order to get that job done, that's what coaching is going to give you. Coaching is going to coach you on how to learn a technology and be ready when it comes to deploy that learning into a real time scenario, real life scenario. So, again, welcome to the channel Coaching, and please click on the bell icon to subscribe. Before going, I just want to add one more thing. If you want any solution, any suggestion, feel free to reach outside, comment, and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to host you again.